So with the charcoal, the DIY charcoal body wash video, right now, sorry guys, I have to use my hands, so it's gonna be a little, but I just want you guys to get the gist. I'm gonna be using this body wash, my charcoal clay mix, some Dead Sea salt, and some coffee. I have gloves, and I'm going to be using a regular little teaspoon. So I actually have less mixture than what I thought I was going to have. So now that all my dry ingredients are combined in a jar, clay at the bottom, Dead Sea salt, I only put 4 teaspoons of the sea salt. I use a regular little teaspoon. Alright, so now I just pour all of this in there. Normally, I would just take a little bit and pour it in, mix it, and then pour that back into the bottle, and then shake it up to mix it. But this time, I'm going to do it different. This time, I'm going to put all the body wash into this old jelly jar with these dry consonants, mix them all up together, and then put it back in the jar. So after mixing in the charcoal and the clay with the coffee and the Dead Sea salt, this is what my body wash looks like now. See a little bit of the coffee grains. I actually still have some left in the jar, so I'm just going to shower with that. And yeah. Later, Gators.